Welcome to the 14th China International Battery Fair, the CIBF 2021 in Shenzhen. Here we have impressively demonstrated the contribution Leutze sensors make in lithium battery production. Series 3C through-beam photoelectric sensors reliably detect the battery by means of a 2.5 mm x 2 mm light spot. Due to the through-beam principle and laser light, mutual interference is avoided. The GS754B measuring fork photoelectric sensor has a correction function and determines diameters and the position of edges. Our DRT25C dynamic reference sensor reliably detects any objects on the conveyor belt and activates the barcode reading function of the BCL248i. Stationary barcode readers of the BCL248i series read all common 1D codes on the battery. The high scan rate of up to 1000 scans per second means that the code reading is always reliable, even for objects with high movement speeds and in confined spaces. Series 2 miniature through-beam photoelectric sensors detect batteries on the conveyor line with a light spot of 5 mm. The FT5X3 diffuse sensors with V-optics and precise focus point detect reflective objects such as batteries by infrared light. LCS capacitive sensors reliably detect non-metallic objects with adjustable sensing distance. Safety at Leutze. Our MLC 500 safety light curtains safeguard machine openings and detect the entry of fingers or hands. RSL 400 safety laser scanners safeguard areas for the presence of people. The L300 guard locking safety switches keep doors and flaps closed until released by an electrical signal. We are technology and innovation leader in the field of sensor technology, and we have set ourselves the goal of making our customers permanently successful in a constantly changing industry. Please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.